Guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. I have here my Sephora play bag. This is actually for the month of May, even though I'm unboxing it in June because it's a long story. But first, if you guys want to see what I got in here, you know what to do. You want to press it. You know you want to press it. Just press it. It's a button. It says subscribe, so press it. Just subscribe. Guys, oh my god, I feel like such a hypocrite. I drugged Sephora for filth when they didn't give me my bag on time, right? Like 2 months ago. And then they sent this to me, but so I get stuff sent to my job. Well, I used to get stuff sent to my job, but then they closed my job. So now I had to get stuff sent to like my parents' house because I'm like, hello, I need somewhere where I can trust it to get my mail. So anyway, I tried to change the address to my parents' house, but then Sephora was like talking about, oh, what's your card number? And I was like, what? So anyway, long story short, I didn't change the address in time, so they sent the bag to my job, so I had to drive up there and get it, but I don't work there anymore. I mean, I work there, just not in that department anymore because they closed it. So anyway, so yeah, so this is why the unboxing is late. So let's see what we got. This is the Sephora Mud Mask Purifying and Mattifying. Oh, shout out to my sister. This would have been good for our spa day. Oh yes, it smells like eucalyptus or something. Yes. Okay, so I'm guessing that's for oily people. Okay. Oh my god. I have gotten the 100-point reward of this so many times. So many times I've cashed in 100 points to get this. It's the Kat Von D tattoo liner. Oh my god, I have to show you guys this. So this is the mini one. I think the full size one is like, I don't even know how much money. But anyway, look at this line, y'all. Look at this. Wait, I'll show you on here. Look at this. Look at this. And you know my obsession. If you guys subscribe, you know my obsession with felt tip liners. This is a good one and it's expensive. So that's going right on my makeup table because I'm going to be using it every day. Okay. Okay. And this, what? They're at it again with hair stuff. Like, oh, sorry, it's so hot in here. Really? Thickening hairspray by Bumble & Bumble. Pre-styler. Spray pre-styler onto damp hair and then blow dry and style for lip. I don't know why Sephora keeps giving me hair stuff. You don't know about my hair. I have braids in. What am I going to do with a blow dry styler? Whatever. Yeah. So this next thing is the Benefit Pore Primer. A sample of this and I did not like it. It like kind of rolled off my skin. I don't know if I put too much on, but everyone says it minimizes pores and everyone swears by it. So I am going to try this again. This is the Pore Professional from Benefit Cosmetics. I'll try it again and see if I like it. And I wish I got this bag sooner. Is that what I think it is? But a little mini highlight from Becca. Oh my god, I'm so... What? Oh my... Oh my... Did you guys see that? It just fell out. Oh my... This completely fell... I'm calling customer service. Oh my god, this completely fell out. I'm literally... The second I'm done filming this, I'm calling customer service. Oh my god. Oh my god, it completely fell out. I feel like crying. Oh my god. Oh my. I literally, is this a joke? Is this a joke? Oh my god. I can't even swatch it. It's so crumbly. What? What the fuck? Oh my god. I'm so upset. Look at this. Okay, we'll try to swatch it. We'll try to swatch it. I'm so upset. I have no word. You know what? I have no freaking words for the. Really? It just like fell and crumbled. It's like crumbled all over my floor now. The last thing I got is yet another sample of this Victor Roth flower, but I can't even finish the video. I'm so upset. Guys, subscribe. I'm gonna call customer service at Sephora because I cannot believe that just happened. Like, is this a joke? Is this a filthy joke that someone is playing on me? Please tell me I will look in this bag and see a highlighter that is put together. No, the bag's freaking empty. Oh my god. I can't, guys, subscribe. Subscribe, I just can't even because I'm too upset right now. Till the next video, bye. Okay, guys, sorry for selfie style. I'm over here taking my makeup off, so I'm like, oh, let me call Sephora because my highlighter was broken. Of course, there's like a 15-minute hold time, but I'm like, that's perfectly fine because I have nothing to do for the next whatever till I go to sleep. So the guy wants to get very cute with me, talking about, oh, here's 200 points because we don't have that sample available anymore. And I'm like, what do you mean anymore? I've never seen it on there to begin with. And I look at the samples all the time because I have the app. And he's like, well, it's not in stock anymore, so I'll give you 200 points. And I was like, what's 200 points gonna do? A deluxe sample is 250 points, not 200 points. And I've never even seen the highlighter on there to begin with. And then he's like, it was on there, but it's not in stock anymore. And I'm like, are you serious? And then he's like, well, how about I'll give you $5, a $5 online credit. And I'm like, now you know good and well you can't get anything out of Sephora for $5. Even my makeup wipes are $7.50. Don't try it because I'm a VIB. Okay? And he's like, well, what do you want me to do for you, Chanelle? What do you want me to do? How can I make you happy? I'm like, why are you yelling at me? Because you guys gave me a broken highlighter. And he's like, I'm trying to make you happy. What is going to make you happy? I was like, I want the highlighter. That's what will make me happy. And he's like, well, it's not in stock. And I'm like, oh, you're yelling at me because it's not in stock? I'm like, it was never in stock to begin with because I look at those samples all the time and Becca has never been on there. Especially not a highlighter. A mini highlighter? Are you kidding me? I would have scooped that up in a hot second. And he's like, I'm just going to give you a refund for the $10.66. And I'm like, so you're going to give me a refund instead of giving me the highlighter? He's like, you want a highlighter over a refund? And I'm like, just give me the refund. Just give me the refund. That's perfectly fine. And he's like, oh, would you like to do a survey? I was like, I would most certainly like to do a survey. So I gave him a 2. I was going to give him a 1. Oh, no, I think you can do a 0. I was going to do a 0, but they gave me a refund, so I gave him a 2 out of 5. And I was like, no, really? You're getting mad at me because you sent me a broken highlighter? I'm like, you ruined everything. You ruined my YouTube video. You freaking send my stuff late all the time. Whatever. And he's like, oh, I'll send you another sample that was in the box. I'm like, oh, like the hair sample that I can't use, or the perfume sample that I already have, or even the eyeliner that I already have. What are you going to send me a sample of? Anyway, that's the update on my Sephora issue. Sephora. Get it together.